It's raining, literally raining right now. 19 minutes away and it's raining, bro. Look at this. Oh, I think we're cooked. Oh, these guys are cooked. Look at this. This is drones. $90. That looks good. That looks like you can
They're probably
climb.
a little small. Cynthia, take over.
Dude, I stuck one leg in and I immediately couldn't take it out.
I feel like my POV is so short.
Someone went crazy in the bathroom. I got this skin sander. Sandpaper on top of this and then just sand away.
For your skin farming?
I don't know if it's considered skin farming. I'm like, wait, what? What is it called?
Horny toad.
That guy's going crazy.
What are you thinking about? I'm thinking about, like, literally...
The horny toad.
I'm not thinking. I'm thinking about the thing that you think I'm thinking about. So when you peel off the paper, you got the sticky part. You got one shot, one opportunity. Yeah. Okay. Where are you cooking? Top part. I think we also. Oh, there's a direction. I did not look at the direction. See, there's a line here. This is where you stick on.
I don't know if it's focused on it.
Here we go. Ooh. Okay, now it looks complete. Like this. Got sandpaper all around.
Okay, now stand your
Recommended by who? Takuto,
talk.
the V12 climber.
He's a V12 climber?
Yeah, when he's gonna send drama, and this is gonna be posted
Soon
after
to be,
he sends.
I guess he's soon to be.
No, post this after he sends
V12.
drama.
Wait, these are sort of cool. Can I try these on?
Ooh. Okay, this is nice.
Don't.
It's like it's cold
or like
and moist.
They've only kind of like
Sounds
maybe
like
like
terrible
deep
conditions
or
to climb.
outside, so
Yeah, terrible condition
it's
to climb
like-
that kind of hold.
it was like I was like just hanging around. I was like,
That shit actually black tag at the gym, bro. That shit actually hard.
for sure.
And then Derek, you want to dump this thing? Yeah, man.
Dot.
Whole lot of wetness.
Yeah.
I feel like I should have had it. I thought I should have.
What happened? Your foot stuck?
I think I just like I like yeah, didn't really like get the left hand very well. Come on. Nice. Come on, Susan.
Hold on, breathe.
Yeah. So good.
Yeah, dude.
So good.
Breathe. Come on.
Come on.
Yes,
dude.
Tenzin.
Come on. Reeled in. Reeled in.
Come on, Susan.
There's no point in giving burns when like I'm tired.
That's fine.
Excuse me. Today we're at...
Second stop.
No, it's 9 a.m. Tenzin and Jason just sent Ring of Fire in like 1 hour. It was crazy. Insert clip here.
Come on.
She's lying.
So yeah, it's now like 9:30, you know? 9:30. We're over here at Carriage Road by Stairmaster. and we're about to send some cool stuff. Die.
Literally. Let's go Stairmaster. Who's boom 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 all the way down. Oh wait, that's okay. I'm like a little sick, so I actually take off this. Okay, okay, okay. I think I'll go like this.
Everything hurts.
Yeah. Everything hurts. No more speed.
That chair is good.
Yeah, full chair, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. I'll look into it. Oh, G-Ray. Nice, nice. G-Ray, do you have my phone? Let's see. I do. Okay. Okay.
Come on.
Oh my god! Bro, did you hear my back crack? Was that the back? I thought the tape.
I thought it was your hand.
No,
the
my back
drive.
just cracked. Oh,
Dude.
Are you okay? Yeah. I'm
That's
telling
why
you.
it's not going.
Yeah.
There are two more burns too. None. What is this? The panther?
Come on, Gildy. Come on.
So chill. Come on.
Nice.
Come on.
Come on, dude.
Come on. Keep it.
Nice. Let's go. Nice.
Come on.
Nice.
Got it.
Dude, you haven't topped it yet. Keep going.
You're on a V3 if you drop now. Nice. Oh my god. I don't have to come back again. So, should we tell them about the dab or? Huh? Should we tell you about the dab? Wait, what dab?
It's on video. Yeah, down here on the ground.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
How do you feel it?
Do it again.
It was a pretty hard dab too.
We're just fucking with you.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Troll like Jason.
Do you want to?
Good job.
Yeah. No, just.
Yeah.
Oh god, so muddy, Jason.
Dude, you dabbed.
Do it again, man.
You dabbed.
No. Actually,
What do you have to say for yourself?
I think I need to change my Instagram name to Dab King.
Yeah.
No.
Just kidding, you did dab.
I will kill you. Oh my god. Dude, I really did not want to do it again. Nice. Nice. Dude, what?
My shoe was coming off.
Okay. Okay. Oh, bro, your throw was. Where was it? Last try.
Alright, let's try. Do you see this thing?
Uh huh. I can't see it.
We also should
Maybe I need to get closer. Okay.
Alright, this is a big one, right?
Okay.
Oh, you got it.
Oh. Actually, she made so much progress. Yeah. Next time. She... Oh
I
yeah.
hold it.
She found this.
Watch.
Okay.
Is it one here?
Ooh.
Watch.
No, hang over. Whoa! This is how you trad climb. Trad climb is easy. All you need is
One of these.
Now Jason's gonna lose subscribers. He posts.
I got it. Almost sent. Did not send. Gassed out. Apparently I wasn't breathing. But guys,
Well, you should
Like,
watch it back.
no one told me to breathe. I didn't know.
I think it's normal for human being to just breathe.
Not when I'm climbing.
You should watch it back and see if you can hear whether you're exhaling.
Hopefully I'm not. Unfortunately. Oh well. Anyways, we got some good beta. For next time when I do this, a special foot shift. I stepped on it so hard I cried.
It's only
Literally, it's wet. No. Just kidding.
crying.